Third place, from Nursery 1 Cherubim, Nathan Mariel G. Dolor. Second place, from Nursery 1 Archangel, Aria Jean S. Cabrera. And our first place winner from Nursery 1 Archangel, Maria Bella Francine C. Aguimon. Now the winners for the Nursery 2 level. Third place from Nursery 2 St. Gabriel, Erin Sariel P. Pereira.